Let us learn the fourth sentence in this category. Yes, fourth sentence. Despite of his illness, he came to school. Despite of his illness, he came to school. Where is the mistake? Can you locate? Can you spot the error in this sentence? Can you spot the error? Spot the error. Find out the error in this sentence. I will give you technique. Yes? How to spot the error for this sentence. See, we have to use the usage of the word. Yes? We have to see despite without any preposition. Okay, no preposition after the word despite. So here we have the preposition immediately after despite. So if we have the word in spite, then we have in spite of. But for despite, okay, we don't use, after the word despite, we don't use any preposition. So what's the mistake? Just we have to remove the word despite of his illness, he came to school. It is wrong. Yes, we have to remove. So after the word despite, we don't use the word of, any preposition, especially of is used immediately after the word. So this is the mistake in this sentence. So you cannot write using this phrase, no? In spite of his illness. We have to identify the error and remove it. Correct the sentence, not to change the entire phrase. Okay. So you cannot write in spite of his illness, he came to school. This is correct. We have to identify the error in this sentence and set right the mistake. Yes, correct the mistake. Rewrite the sentence without any mistake. Without a mistake. So you should not replace it. Yes, replace this phrase with this one. Understood? So we have to find out the mistake. This is the mistake. We cannot use of immediately after despite. After the word despite. Yes, despite his illness. Despite the heavy rain, the match continued. Despite his illness. It means in spite of his illness. Despite means in spite of. So you need not to use, yes, of, the preposition of immediately after the word despite.